Alright, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today I made like 70 bucks. Yep, right here. 42 plus 39, like $80 or something like that. Just because it was super slow today. So basically today, um, we've made huge SMTs in between this. If you can see, we came down on NQ, tapped the, we've, or, so ran through new week opening gap on S&P. We tapped this fair value gap, completely filled, and then started moving up. On NQ, there wasn't a 4 hour gap, but we still kind of wigged down, if you can see, and kind of wigged into it if it was there and started moving to the upside. So the reason I took this trade, I was super risk off just to see, just really, because I'm buying a funded soon. This is a paper account, so I don't care about making money on this. I just want to know that my trade is right or correct or incorrect. So let's see what we see. We can get this out of here. So let's get right into it, okay? So we obviously see this huge move down and this big accumulative area where we're just kind of bearish. Um, So we do the first thing that I look for. Obviously, we have the high time frame liquidity sweep is always the first thing that I look for, and we have that. We have kind of these equal lows right here, but we did kind of sweep out, and then it's like we're not going to move all the way down here, making this huge gap. We're just going to fill the gap and probably keep moving upwards, especially with all-time highs. It's fucking hot as hell in here, but I'm just trying to get this video out for you guys, and then I can continue. I did re-enter again, and now we're literally just kind of floating. Now we're starting to move up, but yeah. So first, high time frame liquidity sweep. We've seen that. These lows get taken out. All these lows get taken out, and I'm like, okay, there's nowhere for us to move, but up. Okay, and then we even have an hourly gap that just is still untapped right now. But if we go to the 15 minute, what do we see? I entered. Well, I did enter right here on this break of structure back to the upside, and then I only entered with like two cons, and then if we respected this 30-minute bullish gap, I was gonna size a little bit size up my position. Um, but yeah, that was the first things I was looking for as well. You could have probably found a 5 minute order cock that gets tapped back into. Not really. Not after the break of structure. Yeah, not after the break of structure. But normally you want to see order block tapped in a break of structure, and if that's normally if that's what you look for. And we kind of did right here. You can see this leg down, taking this liquidity right there, and we tap back into it, and then break structure to the upside. Um, so yeah, 100% could have entered there, and I could add a better risk to reward, but I decided to re-enter again because we just have this low hanging fruit. We have this accumulative right here, and it's like if it's gonna sweep this, it's gonna sweep that, and then we kind of have a slightly stacked highs here. You know what I mean? So we'll just put that there, and then I know it will eventually move all the way up there. I do believe we do have a bearish gap up here. No, no, we do not. Yeah, we do. So we do have this bearish gap right here that we could react off of. Um, But we'll just have to see. So I'll probably just take off my position right there and we'll see, you know what I mean? So are we dead ass, bro? Okay, whatever. I'll just do it on my phone because we're fucking ridiculous. Oh, now it wants to do it. Okay, whatever, pal. Dude, where did I even have it at? Oh, I got rid of it. So I'll just do like right there. And that's still 240 whatever. It really doesn't fucking matter. But yeah, dude, I've made 6 bands this month, guys. I need a funded bad. I'm about to start OnlyFans. This shit is ridiculous, bro. But yeah, guys, made 70 bucks. Could potentially make more than that. I could potentially make around 300 if I keep doing what I'm doing here. If this does get up there, I'm debating whether I should just, because guys, if we look, huh? TDR. If we look, how do I do? Yeah, there we go. So tomorrow we have Red Folder News at 10 a.m. Wednesday probably won't trade. Look at this. We have Red Folder News pre-market, and we'll just see. Honestly, we'll just see how it is. Really, we'll see. And then Thursday, Red Folder News at 8:30. Unemployment claims, fucking core price index. And then let's see if Friday. It's Friday, August 1st. Yeah. And then we also have PMI at 10. We have manufacturing PMI at 9:45. It's not too crazy, but we do have non-farm employment change and unemployment rate, which is pretty high impact news. We're at 8:30, so we'll just have to see what the markets will be doing, and we'll see from there, guys. So potentially making 400 today. Probably not a good trade to be in right now. Yeah, okay, so 21 hours will be tomorrow at like 5 or 4 or 5. So I'm debating whether I should just exit this trade. I'll probably just let it go because I know that it will probably eventually come up here. You know what I mean? But I'll just put alerts. Alert, and then we'll put an alert right here as well. Let's get rid of this. Let's just move that up there. Get rid of that. Because I definitely know that it will, but right now we are literally just saucing and tossing. So, and if you guys wonder why I have no stop loss right now, I do have a stop loss. Okay, normally what I would do is, this is how I do stop losses, okay? High resistance liquidity, all right? This liquidity right here, where it isn't after breaking structure, and we now see bullish structure forming on the 15-minute and the 30-minute, and especially the hourly. It's not going to want to come back down there, and if it does, that just means that our trade idea was wrong, and that's where I will want to stop out at. So right now I just have it under that, because sometimes when I add a stop loss, like it'll stop me out, and honestly my stop loss can't be there because now I've entered up here again, so my stop loss should be like right there. Holy shit, I thought it just stopped me out. I almost lost my fucking mind there. So bam. Yes sir. But I know that we will definitely probably come up there, and I might just take some position. I might just take some size off here if I could. So yeah, but now we are actually finally starting to move upwards. Finally. But yeah, I'll probably just hold this and we'll see what happens, guys. So yeah, this was the trade for the day. I just uploaded. There'll be 2 uploads today. I uploaded the trade that I took yesterday. It was supposed to be out this morning, but my YouTube fucked me. I also have a short up about being a profitable trader. Go watch that, guys. Really, actually good knowledge in there. So I'll probably just hold this, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Probably could potentially be a trade tomorrow. The thing is if we could potentially, you know what? I'm just gonna exit out here. Okay, I'm gonna get out of there, and okay, I'll take so today. Let's see. Not good with math, guys. You'd think I am, but I'm fucking not. Plus 22. Okay, so we made $104 today. That's more than some people's paychecks, but I'll take it sitting at a computer for not a lot of time. So I honestly think just with the way price action's been looking, that this was the big move sweeping right here. I should have caught it like down here. That is the first thing that I caught was like this up to these highs, and then it was only like 1 or 2 cons, and I took partial, so that's why I only made like $70. But it's cool because the trade idea was right, so that's all we're really looking for. I can't wait to be funded, man. I just want to pass a goddamn funded account, bro. I'm just in a tough situation right now, guys. Don't worry. But yeah, I love you guys. You guys have a great rest of your day. Always feel free to put questions in the comments. I love y'all. Peace out. Peace out.